Okay, so our next exercise is to learn a simple program. So here, first of all, you can see here I have declared a simple variable which is of integer type, and I have assigned a value as 2, and I'm going to print that value. So we will run this program. So by pressing F2, we will save the program. My previous program is being overwritten. So yes, Alt F9 is to check the errors, and Control F9 is to run your program. So after running your program, what is the output? 2, right? So yes, it is correct output, A equal to 2. %d, here %d represents, I want to print a integer value, right? To print integer value, we need to write access specifier. This is called as access specifier. So this access specifier is D. If I want to print float value, then I need to write here %f to print a float value. Okay. So first of all, we'll see all the details about integer. Int is a data type in C, one kind of data type in C. It will store integer values, and the size of this integer is 16 bits, that is 2 bytes in C. In different language the size is different, but in C it is 2 bytes, and that is 16 bits. So here by using size of function, you can find out what is the size of a variable since it is integer. So we have checked what is the value of a, that is 2. Now we will see variable values, different values. Uh, can it take negative value? So definitely we will check. Can it take negative value or can print negative value? Control F9. Yes, it takes negative value also. Uh, it takes float value. We'll check. 2.0 is a float value. So we'll check what it prints. See what it prints, 2. Why 2? Why not 2.0? Because the size of A is 2 byte, and data type of A is integer. That means A variable or that particular memory can store only integer values, not float values. So where we have provided 2.0 value to A. Now what happens in this case if you provide float value to integer? It will truncate the part which is after 0.0, and it will store only 2 value into the A variable. Okay, and it will print the value. Now one more thing, uh, what is the range of integer in C? So range of integer in C is minus 32,768 to plus 32,767 is the range to store integer values. That means from negative values of 32,768 to positive 32,767 is the range to store values into the A variable, that is integer data type. So we will store the highest value, 32,767. So we'll check. Yes, it will give you correct output. If I'll put 768, what happened? It is giving me negative value as minus 32,768. Right, something different. I have provided plus value, it is giving me negative value. What is the problem? If I'll write 766, it is giving me 32,768, 766, correct? So up to 767 it is giving me correct answer, but after 768 it is giving me wrong answer. Now I'll put the value as minus 32,768 and we will check the output. It is the output. Output is correct. Whatever value we provided, output is same. If I'll give one more value as 32,769, what will be the output? The output is 32,767. So something different is happening here. That means the values are being printed in rotation. So what is happening with these values we will check first. I'll show you by drawing those values. So here I have drawn all those things. So our A variable is of 2 bytes. That means it can store 16 bits of data. The range of A variable is starting from minus 32,768 and it is up to 32,767. Okay. So first we have provided 32,767 value to A and it was stored properly and printed properly. But when we gave 32,768, so it was giving me answer as minus 32,768. That means after completing the last limit of integer value, it goes again back to the first value. First value is minus 32,768 and again it will start in a rotation from up to this. Okay, so this is how we are going to print the value, right? Now I'll give you one more assignment for this. I want to store the value such as 31,000 sorry, I want to store the value as 33,600. What will be the output? You just go to your Turbo C and check what is the answer. Okay, you just pause this video, go and check the value, right? I'll tell you what will be the answer here. We want to store 33,600 and what will be the output? So output is 31,936. Okay, so it is in form of rotation, correct? Yes, I provided minus 33,600. So if I'll provide plus value, so the output is minus 31,936. You can just calculate by calculator and you will get the correct answer like this. Okay, so